I've come from a very simple family.
There is Mrs. Ambani, first time in my life that I have actually interacted with her.
And I think somewhere our lives have moved on a very similar, I don't know how.
Parallel tracks.
Because people generally have a preconceived notion about hosts and a prejudice against hosts. Ki, "Arey, pakane aa gaya." That's the first thing, and you got to win their hearts.
Yes. And the most important thing is to keep your communication conversation. Speak less.
And impact more.
And tuk ki baat karo.
That's where I learned a few tricks from you, watching you at your craft. I got in because of radio.
I have done free of cost shows after working in Dubai for 8 years. When I came back to India in 2012, I've done shows for free.
Tax free paisa.
Yeah! So no work is chota. I have worked FOC for one of the big pageant organizations of the country. Now is the time, is an era that we live in where you can capture the content.
Boy with the good hair and the great eyes and the beautiful voice.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, baby. When there's a serious show like that, when there are Olympians, when there are senior dignitaries, politicians, अगर ऐसे लोग आ रहे हैं, आप उसके लिए कोई शो कर रहे हैं या कोई रॉयल फैमिली के लिए शो कर रहे हैं, तो एक ऑब्वियस सी बात है, आपको एक certain way में अपने आप को प्रोजेक्ट करना होगा. You will have to. And I agree on what you said about the upbringing part of it also, because I have come from a very simple family. For us, you work hard, don't depend on luck or anything else. None of that is going to happen. You work hard, you keep doing what you have to do. So those 2 points, and I think somewhere our lives have moved on a very similar, I don't know how.
Parallel tracks.
And that's why I think we hit it off also. अब आप कह रहे हैं कि एक दूसरा टाइप का शो है, जहाँ पे where you can be all.
मैं तो उसी टाइप के शो में बात करूंगा, where you can modulate.
हाँ.
A lot of people restrict themselves because they think अगर ये ऐसा है, say for example that Olympian award, the felicitation that happened for Olympian and Paralympian at Antalya, it is in their house.
Yeah.
Imagine the amount of pressure that you have. It is in their house. There are 140 sports individuals. There is Mrs. Ambani, first time in my life that I have actually interacted with her. She's going to be on stage with me for 2.5 hours. Now, where does the corporate me or the very, very well-mannered me comes in is with the conduct with her. Whenever I have to talk to her, whenever I have to introduce her, anything. But sports guys are sports guys. They are fun guys, right? They don't mind having fun. If I'm going to bore them to death by just giving ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta because it's a fun, no. I still used my fun element, so I'll just give an example. I was told, stick to the prompter, let's stick to the script. But I said, give me the liberty to go a little improv. Abhi Indian hockey team aa rahi hai, right? Abhi Indian hockey team ko announce karne ke baad, if they're walking, they're 12-13 people or the entire team walking, it's just going to go blank, right? I'd rather use some inspirational lines to say, this is the team that made the country proud yet again on that platform, blah, in a very, very energetic manner. The tone changed.
Correct.
The fun element came when there was a athlete named Sachin who won something, a gold on the Paris Olympics or somewhere. He came in, not a gold.
Sachin Kusare.
Yeah. I think he's from Kolhapur, if I'm not wrong. And he walked in, he got an award, he received it, and then instantly just came to my mind, and I said, you know what? We have one more reason to cheer Sachin, with Sachin Kusale in the house. What was that?
Yes.
And people cheered for it. What did I do? I was not corporate, I was not stuck, I was not very serious. I added that bit, but again, with a little bit, taking that liberty of moving a little more casual. That's it. So, हम कभी बोलते हैं ना कि अभी यहाँ पे कॉर्पोरेट है तो एकदम सीरियस ही बन जाओ, वैसा नहीं है. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज टू कीप योर कम्युनिकेशन कॉन्वर्सेशनल. टॉक पीपल आर बोर्ड. नमस्कार, आपके साथ हम सब स्वागत है. इट्स सो गुड टू हैव ऑल ऑफ यू. Gone are those days of talking like that, no?
Yeah.
Nobody wants to hear that. After a point, you're going to yawn and say, "Bhai, khatam kar yaar isko." Right? So,
भगा दे इसको यार.
so you would want
because people generally have a preconceived notion about hosts and a prejudice against hosts. कि अरे पकाने आ गया. That's the first thing, and you got to win their hearts.
Yes.
To win their hearts, you got to do something different or just be your original self.
Speak less
and impact more.
And तुक की बात करो.
Nice. I like what you said. One very important point. ये चीज़ मैं बहुत सारे लोगों को बोलता हूँ जो मुझे भी पूछते हैं. What is that skill set that is required to be a good MC or a host or to do things? I always tell them, see boss, I've done it for a couple of years. What I understand from this is you can't have this attitude. मैं ऐसा ही हूँ. मैं ऐसा ही हूँ बोल दिया ना कि जैसा आपने कहा एक सीरियस आप इवेंट में जा रहे हो और मैं ऐसे ही हूँ, मैं फैल जाऊँगा. एक तरीका होता है. That's where I learned a few tricks from you, watching you at your craft. What do you think are the basic things required if somebody has to enter this field? I got in because of radio. I've been doing this for some time now, weddings and all of these things. That's a different energy altogether that is required. There you have to, आपको फैलना ही है.
Completely.
But वो मेरा अलग genre है. But अगर किसी को entry point पे अब कोई आपको कुछ बताना है, if somebody wants to enter, how does one get into it then?
I don't know how the entry would work. Like, if I could give from my end tips is, first is you'll have to get in touch with event companies. Important. And now every event company has a talent wing.
Yeah.
Who look. But first thing they'll ask is, what have you done? कोई platform नहीं देगा तो what have you done कहाँ से होगा?
Correct.
Right? So for that, I think one needs to start taking up smaller events and gigs. I have done free of cost shows after working in Dubai for 8 years. When I came back to India in 2012, I've done shows for free. Why? So that they know my craft. When I came here, I was told by agencies, अच्छा उधर क्या इधर क्या किया? हमारे पास तो ये है. मुझे ये भी बोला गया था कि लड़कों का यहाँ पे एंकरिंग में इतना कुछ है नहीं, लड़कियाँ लगती है कॉर्पोरेट वर्क. Is what I was told on my face. It is disheartening to hear that. I heard them out. I said, okay, that each to his own. I took up events for 10,000 rupees with Times of India for long back. This is 12, 13. It was one of the first companies where I actually got my Indian gig. And छोटी सी amount थी, but I said, this is where will give me more exposure to people. People will get to see my work. So don't think any work is less. I did a voiceover for 1,500 rupees. I've worked for Dubai, in dirhams, for 8 years. After that, I've come back.
Tax free पैसा.
Yeah. And उसके बाद यहाँ आया हूँ. मैंने 1,500 रुपए में मैंने वही पैसा टैक्सी में खर्चा किया to go and come back just to do a voiceover. वो भी मैंने गूगल करके एक प्रोडक्शन हाउस ढूंढा था जिनको जो वॉइस ओवर्स लेते हैं ये मैंने जाके करा था. So no work is छोटा. I have worked FOC for one of the big pageant organizations of the country. They called me, they asked me, and the show director had seen me in Dubai doing a show. So he said, "I'll bring that boy in." That's how I got in.
The boy with the good hair and the great eyes and the beautiful voice.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, baby.
So
Tax free पैसा.
Yeah, it's okay. आप छोटे नहीं होते. Public को देखने तो दो. Because people will ask you, what have you done? Now is the time, is an era that we live in where you can capture the content, you can create content, you can footage बना सकते हो.
Market कर सकते हो.
Market कर सकते हो.
Instagram free marketing है.
Social media पड़ा है यार. To free की marketing. पहले तो फोन करना पड़ता 10 साल पहले. USB भेजो, फिर WhatsApp पे कुछ भेजो. यहाँ पे तुम सब कुछ social media पे डाल के वो links मार सकते हो. So that way you're able to create your own data, own content. कि free में करो, सस्ते में करो. It's okay. Nobody is going to give you immediately. Whatever stack rate that I have gone to, you've gone to, we worked our ass off to get there.
Right.
So it's not come easy. Even in today's day and age, there is bargaining, there's negotiation. So that happens at every stage. So imagine that is your initial stage of bargaining where you say, Chalna, this is my exposure to the world, is what I would say is what you do.
But for this, you'll have to really keep your ego outside. Because for somebody like you who worked in Dubai as a radio presenter and whatever you did back there and earned in dirhams, and then come down here to India and say, come to the motherland and say, मैं फिर से restart करने वाला हूँ. तो एक चीज़ आपकी मुझे समझ में आई कि you don't fear restarting. आप में डर नहीं था वो.
No.
That's a very strong quality. क्योंकि बहुत
मेरे
सारे
में
लोग
ईगो भी नहीं. क्यों है चाहिए? Why do you want ego?
यार इंसान में ईगो होता है यार.
Why do you want it? My question to you.